Hello there guys, what is going on? Welcome to PureTrading. I want to show you a tool that's going to help you navigate through MetaTrader much quicker than the usual way. To download this tool, you go to the PureTrading website, go to downloads on top there, and then you'll come to this screen and you'll get some other tools there, easy risk and all that, and then you'll get symbol changer. That's the tool I want to show you today. So you click on downloads and then you'll get the symbol changer at the bottom here as a zipped file. Then inside there you can just double click that. So this here is the file that you want to drop into your MetaTrader. So how do you do that? So it's very simple. It's the same technique that we use for installing any sort of indicator or EA. So the way we do that is you go to File, you open up your MetaTrader, you go to File, and then you go down to Open Data Folder. So now you have your data folder open. Now, as I said, this is an indicator. So you go to MQL4, and then instead of experts, you put all your EAs and stuff there. But in this case, it's an indicator, so you double click that. So your indicator folder will be open. Then your previously downloaded EA or your previously downloaded indicator symbol changer, just drag and drop that into this folder, and then that's it. Then you are almost ready to go. So now your MetaTrader has the new software in there. What you do is you can either right click on your chart there and refresh, and you go to your navigator and you right click there and you refresh, or you can just restart the whole MetaTrader. Now what you do is you find the symbol changer profit display indicator and you drag and drop it on any chart that you want. Drag and drop, and then this is your visualization, your about, and your common and all that, your inputs. I'll show you all that later. But if you click OK, then you will see it's populated here on the front of your screen with a whole lot of indicator, a whole lot of it's populated with the market watch. Like all of these symbols that you have here is also in here. So you don't want that. You want to choose whatever it is you want. And for me personally also, I don't like this indicator blocking, all the charting and things happening here. What I want is I want this to be at the bottom over here, like you've seen in the introduction to this video. So I'm going to delete this indicator from here and show you how I would like to set this thing up for myself. So how you do that is you go to charts, indicator list quickly, and then I'm just going to delete that from there. So what you're going to need now is also, because I want to install the indicator in a separate window in my MetaTrader chart, this is a separate window here at the bottom. So you will see that as empty window. So you install that indicator as well, and I'll show you the links and that to this indicator too. So you drag and drop this onto the chart, and you will have a open window like this here. It's a whole new window where you can have anything you like in there. So what I'm going to put in there is my symbol changer profit display. So I have a preset there that I've done, and I'll show you all the inputs in here. So my selected pairs, this is what you trade. So I have like 9, 10, 11, sometimes 12 pairs in your euro, dollar, pound. So it's not everything. Like before, you saw everything that was inside my market watch list here. Everything was populated there, and it just looked untidy and messy. So the whole reason for the tool is to simplify things, not to make things even more complicated. So you just, where it says user selected pairs, you put in the pairs that you like to trade. Then you have to change this here, manually select the pairs that you want, because you also have this option where it auto selects, and you don't want that. Otherwise you're going to get the whole watch list there, a whole million pairs, and we don't want that. And then the other thing that I have here is I have a selected main chart or separate window. That is where I am going to put this indicator. So that is this thing over here, yeah, the empty window, yeah, then okay, then there we go. So we can close that now. Now your life is going to be much more simple. Euro dollar, you want to see the daily chart or the weekly chart or the hourly chart. You see everything just in one little window here. It's not that all you have all the charts at the bottom here, and it just slows down your whole system and your MetaTrader. This thing just speeds up your system, and it speeds up your trading and your analysis. It helps you a lot. Let me show you how it looks on my on my actual chart. So this is my chart with a template on this. This is my classic template. What we have here is the euro dollar on the daily. So everything in blue, that's what it is. So on which chart am I at the moment? It's on the euro, and it's on the daily chart. I want to change it to the 4 hourly. So now it's euro dollar on the 4 hourly, then on the 30 minute, and then I want to change the currency pair. And remember, you can put anything that you want in here. How you do that is you just go to your symbol changer here again, and you just add it whatever it is you want inside here, inside your watch list. That is what you want inside there. Yeah, so this is how it looks here. Nice and simple and fast, and the resources that MetaTrader uses now is much less, which means your system is going to be faster. It's not going to overheat as much, so everything is just running much better. So this red here is a position that I'm running at the moment, and it's in the negative. Yeah, if I show you here quickly on the daily chart here, so I've sold here and prices has gone up, so now it's showing me in red. So if there was green, then it would mean that that was a position I'm in profit. So this window here is really very versatile. You can use it nicely. I mean, I can see I'm in the negative with my cable trade, my pound dollar, and I'm in the negative here with my CAD yen, and I'm in no other trades at the moment. Yeah, and all that from just looking at this one little chart here. Yeah, so I want to go to the dollar versus CAD on the 4 hourly. I want to look at it on the 15 minute. You know, you can do your analysis. Also, another thing is that I have my Heikinashi stuff here, which is running on the same thing, because this is the way I do my analysis. Let's say I'm looking at the euro dollar. I'm looking to trend trade this, so I'll be drawing trends and stuff here on the Heikinashi candles, and then I want to see how it looks like the euro versus the dollar on my daily, to see if I'm really interested. So it's just very simple and easy, guys, to use this, and it's free of charge. And look, just comment below, tell me if this thing has helped you in any way. But in any case, guys, the most important thing is to trade safely and prosper.